The ancient Nri kingdom, seen as the progenitor of Igbo race, is celebrating Agwu festival, which was aimed at appeasing the gods of rascality and irresponsibility among the citizens. The sleepy community located in Anosha local council of Anambra State, with its rich culture, is widely known as the custodian of Igbo culture and tradition. The Agwu festival is celebrated at a particular month known as Onwa Agwu, which comes after the planting season. At a time, the Agwu, that is the spirit of rascality, will tend to go to the farms. With the festival, the Agwu spirit is caged for businesses to progress and bounty harvest to be realized in September. With the feast celebrated, it is believed that all divine spirits in the town which were left loose to parade on their own were appeased and will no longer be harmful to people. Onwa Agwu festival is a period set aside for a celebration that features masquerades, which are not ordinary, but believed to emerge from ant holes and align with physical and spirit world. Onwa Agwu is a divine spirit full of wisdom, which does not live in a man, but visits a man. It teaches us how we should do good things because it helps to inspire development in modern technologies. If you don't appease the spirit of Agwu, you are born to live extravagant life. You appease it by killing a cock and a small chick prepared with okwa and abacha. Then you feed the spirits with left hand. You will observe the potency of what you did. Nri does not celebrate Agwu on Oye and Afo market days, but on Eke and Nkwo. So the counting of dates of the month started on June 6, being Eke Day, till we arrive at the 6th market day, known as Izu Isi, of the grand finale, totaling the period of 24 days. Before the celebration, Eke Market Square, which is the venue where everybody converges for the Agwu festival, will be cleansed just like other shrines, including Obali Kenri, Obionyora, and Obibu Nri Shrine. A he-goat is slaughtered to inform the deities that the children of the town were returning and to seek their protection. This also means that whoever that steps into the town with harmful charm will be visited with repercussions. The festival creates opportunity for development of the community by the age grades and is also seen as a period of mass return and attracts people from all walks of life. Agwu's night activities begin at 6 p.m., during which free movement of every non-indigenous in the town is restricted because they are non-initiates of Agwu cults. Only the indigenous that are initiated are expected to move around at night. Any woman coming back after 7 p.m. must be escorted by Mmanwu initiates, and he will be shouting Obonduna Agakwa to alert that a non-initiate is passing by. The highlight of this year's celebration was the procession of the masquerade at Eke Market Square to enable a panel of judges led by Prince Charles Tabans to select the most beautiful masquerade, the best flogger, and the best chanter of loyal rhyme, Imambem. At the end, the winning masquerades are given total cash award of 1 million donated by the chairman of Nze Nozo Council, Chief Oba Emily Okeka Agbogididanri. I am Charles Okudilichukwu Oreki, popularly known as Ogamazi, reporting from Nri.